Welcome to Santorini, welcome to Aromapolis.
I'm about to indulge in the food and wine of Santorini. After heading into 2 wineries to do some tastings, we'll meet up with a local chef for a cooking class. Visit 2 Santorini wineries and learn about volcanic viticulture from a guide. So this is totally unique to Santorini grapes and vines, but they do this basket system. And what it does is it protects the vines from wind and really intense sun because they grow the grapes in the center and they keep winding it over all these years. And some of these plants are 500 years old.
To visit where the wine is made, full temperature control. Temperature is very, very important when we ferment for the aromas, for the style of wine we want to give.
Sample up to 8 different glasses of wine, local and unique to Santorini.
Pure Santorini Yamas.
So this is Santorini wine, and similar to champagne, it must be produced here, and there are rules to follow, like you have to use a certain type of grape, and it can only be irrigated in a certain way, and it's delicious. Oh my gosh, this view is insane!
This winery is the highest cave you can find in Santorini, 9.5 meters. Yamas.
Yamas.
Cheers.
Yes.
You'll see some smoked chicken, stuffed grape leaves, and different variety of cheeses. Very, very tasty.
I thought the tour was great. We got a little bit of history of Santorini and a little bit of history around how folks make wine.
Yeah, and I think that the wine is a really big part of the culture here. And having someone with us the whole time made it easier, made it more enjoyable. So it was great, and we met awesome people, so it was fantastic.
We learned so much about Santorini wine, but now it is time to start cooking.
You get some wine, of course.
This cooking class is led by an expert instructor using fresh local ingredients. Prepare 4 authentic Greek starters and 1 main course. So a lot of the ingredients we're using today were collected from just that field over there. It's pretty fresh. And do like this. My masterpiece. So the hard work is done. We have learned how to make some impressive dishes, and now we just get to sit back, relax, enjoy our hard work, and take in this gorgeous view. There is something so special about eating a meal beside the farm where it was harvested. Today has been amazing. It was local, it was authentic, and gave me a real feel for the food and wine culture here on the island.